All right, getting ready to do my first oil change for a 2013 Ford F150 with the V6 EcoBoost. That's my truck. I've never done one before, so we're going to dive in it, and hopefully this will help somebody out. There we go. Put a little gusto in that. There we go. Trying to avoid the mess and aim this because it's going to shoot fairly far. My sleeve rolled up, my rag on standby. I'm just going to stay underneath here until this all comes out because it's pink all underneath here. A lot of oil in there. Alright, we're still dripping out a little bit. I'm probably good to go. Probably been 3 or 4 minutes, but it's still trickling. The owner's manual for this in the glove box says that this motor, which is the 3.37 EcoBoost 6-cylinder, takes exactly 6 quarts of oil. So we'll dump 5 quarts in and then work our way up. Okay, perfect torque. Now we go to the top. I'm literally laying inside there. Get that wrench on there. Might have had a legit wrench. Probably would have been a lot easier. There's that. I'm nervous about putting this one on how tight the last one was. Getting enough hand torque on it. So I'm gonna go off camera for this because I need to take this head cam off. Be totally honest here, in order to change that oil filter, you literally have to get a ladder or a stool, lay your stomach on top of the fuse box right here to get your arms down in there to take that sucker off and twist a new one on. And I am breathing hard. I'm 55 years old, and that's probably the last time I'm gonna do an oil change on this truck, just from the filter, because normally they're under the car, but this one you have to go through the engine bay. So yeah, total honesty there. I got to fill this thing up with oil now and then clean up that reservoir area down there, that pan area, because it didn't drain because of the angle of my truck. So let's get to putting some oil in and getting this mess cleaned up. Moment of truth. Slow down there, cowboy. All right, I put a little over 5 quarts into it. I don't know exactly how much, 5.5 maybe. So dipsticks right there, and there's the old cap. Fire this up to and check it one more time. Okay, I did use about 6 quarts of oil. I had to add a little bit more. Let's get the oil change reset inside the truck. Engine oil change soon. And it says press reset to clear. And it goes to this. Reset. Here we go. Oil life set to 100%. I like what I see. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you or made you laugh, because this is real life. Dum de dum de dum de dum. Dum dum dum. That would be me.